Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is we're going to remove a directory and all its content. So I think I'm going to need to import this module here. Path. Oops. QW. Remove tree. If you don't already have this on board, you can import it. That's what you can do. So, hey, little kitten. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, let's have a look here. So we're going to create a subroutine called delete full Felix folder. So this is what we're going to do. Felix. First of all, we're going to create a path. So my scalar path is equal to C users mark desktop, and we're going to change the directory to this path here. Okay, we'll just neaten that out a little bit, and we're going to create some user input using chomp, and then it's going to be I'm going to give it a name of directory, assign it to standard input, so this is where we get the user input here. So the user will type in the directory they want to remove, and then we're going to print removing directory and all content. Right, so we're going to use remove tree here, and that's going to be the scalar directory. And then we're going to add an error handler on here called or die, and we're just going to say error removing. Right, and then we're going to print scalar directory and contents removed. Okay, now all we have to do is call the program. It's called delete full folder. If we go into the desktop, got a folder called remove me, and inside I've got some files here, so let's see if we can do this, shall we? So let's run the program. So let's enter in here, so remove me. Let's just make that a little bit bigger, hit enter. Removing directory and all contents, remove me and contents removed. So let's have a look if it's gone. And yep, it's disappeared. So there you go, folks. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. And remember, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and give it a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.